The L'Automobile Ventura was a little-known Brazilian sports car developed in the late 1970s by L'Automobile Distribuidora de Veículos Ltda, a small manufacturer based in São Paulo, Brazil. The company was founded in 1976 by Claudio Campuzano and Guillermo Pardo during a period when Brazil's automotive market operated under strong import restrictions. Because foreign vehicles were difficult to obtain, many local companies began producing small series sports cars using readily available mechanical components from Volkswagen. Before developing the Ventura, L'Automobile produced a fiberglass replica of the classic Alfa Romeo 8C 2300 from 1931. The project was based on a Volkswagen Beetle chassis and generated enough revenue for the company to design a modern sports car of its own. The Ventura was introduced in 1978 at the São Paulo Motor Show, where it was presented as a contemporary alternative to standard Volkswagen-based cars available in Brazil. The Ventura featured a fiberglass body mounted on a modified Volkswagen platform chassis. Despite the familiar underpinnings, the styling was modern for the period. The car had a long nose, a short fastback rear section with a hatchback door, and a two-seat interior. Distinctive details included rectangular headlights borrowed from the Brazilian Dodge Polara, rear lights from the Alfa Romeo GTV, and a prominent hood bulge. Inside, the Ventura offered bucket seats, carpeting, a padded dashboard, and three-point seat belts. Optional equipment included electric windows, air conditioning, and an AM/FM cassette stereo system. Two primary versions were available. The SLE used a 1.6-liter air-cooled flat-4 engine from Volkswagen, while the RS model was equipped with a 1.6-liter liquid-cooled engine from the Volkswagen Passat TS. Both variants typically used a 4-speed manual transaxle and 4-wheel drum brakes. Later updates introduced a more powerful 1.8-liter air-cooled engine, producing about 84 horsepower, allowing the car to reach a claimed top speed of approximately 185 kilometers per hour, about 115 miles per hour. The Ventura competed with other Brazilian specialty sports cars, such as the Puma GT and the Volkswagen SP2. Unlike some rivals, it was offered both as a fully assembled vehicle and as a kit car that buyers could build themselves. Kits were exported to countries including the United States, Germany, and Argentina. Production lasted roughly a decade and ended in 1988. Exact production numbers remain unknown, but they were relatively small. Today, most surviving examples remain in Brazil, and the Ventura is largely unknown outside the country. However, its combination of lightweight fiberglass construction, Volkswagen mechanical reliability, and distinctive styling has made it an intriguing collectible among enthusiasts of rare Brazilian automobiles.